to how to I use words like normal English to advanced English.
I think that mm, to speak with advanced English, the first important step is to Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, I see you now.
Hi. I am also. How are you?
I'm
How are
good.
you?
How are you?
Thank you. I'm doing great. Where are you from? What is your name?
My name is Lily. I'm from Kentucky. And you?
Well, I am Ceci from India. You have been India?
I have not been in India. It's nice to meet you, Ceci. Which part of India are you from?
Nice to meet you too. I am from south part of India.
Oh, in Kerala?
No, Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, okay.
You
Oh, very
hear
good.
about India, but
A
you
little.
have not India.
Right.
Okay.
I have not been in India. Or I have not visited
Okay.
India, but I have two friends in India.
Oh, which part there?
Oops. Kerala. They were both in Kerala.
Okay.
hmm
Okay. Okay, can I know about you? What you are doing? What teacher? What is your profession?
This is my profession. I tutor English, but my hobbies are learning other languages. I'm studying three right now. Uh, and
Oh,
I also like to draw.
drawing?
Drawing, yes. Yes, I like to draw
Oh, it's great.
faces. hmm
What?
I like to
Which
draw faces. I can show you.
faces you? Oh, you are good.
Let's see. Sometimes when I watch a TV show, I will pause the I will pause the video and draw the face. So this is from a Chinese TV show that I was watching, and I thought the girl was pretty and I drew her face. Do you see it?
Oh, you are so great. You are good talent.
Thank you. Thank you. When I
It's so
look at the
nice.
original, when I look at the original, I can see my mistakes, so I don't show the original.
Oh, she's so nice. You are
Yeah,
good
thank
drawer.
you.
Oh,
Thank you. I like to draw. It's really fun for me, but it takes a long time, so I don't draw very many drawings. If I go very fast, I'm
okay.
terrible. So once I thought, maybe I'll try a very fast one and I'll just see. And so I had a small picture and I tried to draw it 9 times. And every time it looked different and every time it looked terrible. So it takes me, that took hours to get to look like that. So I have to really take my time on drawings.
Okay.
What do you like to do?
I'm a housewife. I am taking care of my baby.
Oh,
She's 3 years
wonderful.
old now.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I am practicing English with the native speakers, and I want to speak like USA, American, Asian, like native speakers. And also, I teach to my baby.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm learning English.
Good. Um, let's see. I want to speak like native speakers, or I want to speak like a native speaker. So you'll have the A if it's not plural, and you'll not have the
Okay.
A, and you will have an S if it is plural.
Okay. I want to speak like a native speaker.
Perfect. I think you will. I think you will.
Yes, yes. Still, I'm learning.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. I am still learning.
Can you
What you
tell
said
me
was,
how to?
go
Can
ahead.
you tell me how to I use words like normal English to advanced English?
I think that mm, to speak with advanced English, the first important step is to have a very good foundation in the basics. So if you
Oh,
know the order of the words very well, if you know how to build a sentence, even if it's very simple, then you can take out a simple word and replace it with a more advanced word. But I noticed in the last few years, sometimes people try to learn a lot of vocabulary to sound very fancy, but they don't know how to use the words well, and so it becomes extremely confusing, and it actually makes their English worse. So um, I would always beg my students just get a very good foundation in the basics, and then you can learn words naturally and you'll sound
oh,
much better. Yep.
okay.